Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa, and I'm here with Judy, and we just want to share her chiropractic journey.
I've been doing chiropractic for a long time. I started with Jason Deach and then Dr. Davis, and then Dr. Davis retired, and he said that Melissa was his chiropractor. And so I started coming to see Melissa, and I've been coming ever since. And there have been several times over the years when I've pulled my back out. And because I come every other week, it keeps things fluid. And then if I do pull it, like doing stupid things like carrying boxes of rocks, which I've done in the past, it can be readjusted very quickly. I'm a believer in just routine maintenance. And so I come in for an adjustment every other week, and normally everything is just fine. And then if I do something stupid, she can fix it.
And I've been taking care of you about 9 years.
Yeah.
And so
Yes.
probably at least maybe 20 years total. Yeah.
I think so. And it's easy. I guess in the beginning I was a skeptic, but the first time I pulled my back out and Jason fixed it, I really realized how valuable chiropractic is.